spending a lot of money on just designing these book covers? Hey, you shouldn't be wasting a lot of money again on designing just simple book covers. In today's video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can use Gemini AI to design book covers in just a click of a minute. All that you can do is to stay with me from the beginning up to the end of this video. Let's dive in. A professional book writer, help me kindly to design my book cover, my novel titled The African Wolfman in the Great Kingdom of Ghana. Give it a nice color design and let it be authored by Kabuye Fred as the author. After there, now I'm going to click on submit such that it can start to design my my book cover in just few minutes. So I'm going to leave it to generate my book cover. And there we are. It has generated my book cover within 4 minutes. It's already there. So what are we going to do next? We'll download this book cover and use it for we save it, then we use it for our book design. So that is it for today. That is it for today. Now that you've seen how you can use Gemini AI to design for you a book cover within just few minutes, I think you're not going to be wasting a lot of dollars on just simple book covers. All that you can do is to continue visiting my channel, the InfoLab Academy, for more video educative tutorials. Until we meet in the next one, see you.